Bonjour et bienvenue Crafting Moi. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Crafting Moi. I'm sure mushroom recipe is the first choice of everyone, except those who are allergic to it. So let's make Matar Mushroom Curry today in Crafting Moi's style. Let's go through the ingredients quickly. 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 1 cup of green peas and a pack of fresh mushrooms. So let's start with heating up the pan. Add 2 to 3 spoons of oil, 1 spoon of cumin seeds and 2 cloves. Heat it for a minute and then add onions. Fry the onions till it becomes golden brown. Once the onions are cooked, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well and let the masalas cook for 2 minutes. Now add some carrots and fry it with the onions. Add 2 long chopped tomatoes and fry it till the oil gets separated from the mixture. Now add finely chopped ginger garlic. As the mixture dries up, add 1 cup of water. Cook it for 5 minutes and then add salt to taste. Add 1 spoon of curd and mix it well. The base of the curry is prepared. Now we'll add green peas and mushrooms. Bring the mixture to a boil and cook it for another 10 minutes. Our Matar Mushroom Curry is ready. Garnish it with some green and red capsicum and it's ready to be served. Hey friends, try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.